Okay, guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. So, guys, this one is another. I love these type of dresses. So this one is not. It is actually not crisscross all the way. Where I kind of like overlap the fabric a little bit over here, a little bit over there, and I connect elastic to it, guys, and I put a nice split. You guys see that in it? And then I connect the belt where I tie it off. These are like my favorite. Like I love, 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 love these swing dresses, guys. So this is another one of my creation. This is a swing dress with a split. I put split on either side or no split. So you see me close your legs. You don't tell you got a split. And when you start walking, that's when the split becomes visible. So this is another one of my creation, guys. Wanted to bring it to you guys' attention. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye, guys. Okay, guys. Here are a couple still shots of the dress that I took for you guys. So just showing you guys, this can be done in any color. And this is not a spandex material. This is more like a chiffon or a rayon. It has no stretch in it. And guys, I wanted to put that green picture in there with the shoes coming up right about now. So from the previous video, that's the dress that matched those shoes. So if somebody didn't catch the video, I can design dresses as well as overlay fabric over the shoes to match. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.